Demystifying MLA, Citing Indirect Sources Made Easy. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into an essential aspect of academic writing, citing indirect sources in MLA format. If you've ever been puzzled about how to give credit to a source that your primary source mentioned, you're in the right place. Firstly, what is an indirect source? Imagine reading an article where the author quotes another author. The original author, the one being quoted, is your indirect source. Instead of accessing their work directly, you came across it through another source. This might seem confusing, but don't worry. The MLA format has guidelines on how to tackle this. You might be wondering, why can't I just cite the primary source? Good question. It's crucial to acknowledge original ideas, even if they come from a source you haven't read directly. It helps in maintaining the authenticity and credibility of your work. Here's how to cite an indirect source. When you're referring to the information from the indirect source, use QTD. In, which stands for quoted in, followed by the parenthetical citation of your direct source. For example, Johnson argues that teaching students about citation is crucial. QTD. In Smith 23. In this example, Johnson is the original author, the indirect source you want to refer to, but you found their quote in Smith's work, which is your primary, direct source. Remember, always try to find the original source and read it before citing it. It gives a better context to the information you're referencing. If accessing the original is impossible or extremely difficult, then go ahead and cite it indirectly. 1. Not using QTD. In, remember that this phrase signals to the reader that the source they're seeing isn't the original source of the information. 2. Over-relying on indirect citations. It's always best to access and cite the original material directly when you can. This ensures accuracy in interpreting the original author's intent. And that's a wrap on citing indirect sources in MLA format. It might seem like a small detail, but mastering such nuances makes a big difference in producing top-notch academic writing. We hope this video clarified the process for you. Until next time, happy writing and always give credit where it's due.